Are your thoughts keeping you broke? The biggest difference between rich and poor isn't just money, it's mindset. Today, we'll break down the key mindset shifts you need to escape financial struggle and start building real wealth. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about a crucial truth. If you want to get rich, stop thinking like a poor person. This isn't about luck, privilege, or overnight success. It's about how you think, act, and approach money. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences between a poor mindset and a rich mindset, and you'll have actionable steps to start shifting your thoughts today. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which mindset shift hits home for you the most. Now, let's dive in. The scarcity mindset versus abundance mindset. The first mindset difference is scarcity versus abundance. A scarcity mindset believes there's never enough money, opportunities, or success to go around. An abundance mindset, on the other hand, sees opportunities everywhere. Example: someone with a scarcity mindset might say, "I can't afford it." But someone with an abundance mindset asks, "How can I afford it?" Takeaway. Tip: start training your brain to look for solutions instead of focusing on limitations. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money. Work for them. The second big difference is how rich and poor people view money. Poor people trade their time for money, often working paycheck to paycheck. Rich people focus on creating income-generating assets like businesses, investments, or real estate. Example: a poor mindset says, "I need to work harder to make more money." A rich mindset says, "I need to make my money work harder for me." Takeaway. Tip: focus on building income streams that don't rely solely on your time. Poor people fear risks. Rich people manage risks. Point 3. Fear of risk. Poor people often avoid risks entirely because they fear losing money. Rich people understand that calculated risks are necessary for growth. Example: starting a side business or investing in stocks might feel risky, but doing nothing is often riskier in the long run. Takeaway. Tip: educate yourself about risks, plan carefully, and take informed action. Poor people focus on saving. Rich people focus on earning more. Here's an interesting one: saving versus earning. Poor people often focus solely on saving money and cutting expenses. Rich people focus on increasing their income while still managing their expenses wisely. Example: you can only save so much, but your earning potential is limitless. Takeaway. Tip: while saving is important, focus on increasing your income sources as well. Poor people think short-term. Rich people think long-term. The fifth mindset shift is about time perspective. Poor people often think about immediate gratification, spending now rather than investing for the future. Rich people think long-term and make sacrifices today for greater rewards tomorrow. Example: spending $500 on gadgets today might feel good, but investing that same $500 can grow into thousands over time. Takeaway. Tip: make financial decisions with your future self in mind. Poor people blame. Rich people take responsibility. The final mindset difference: blame versus responsibility. Poor people often blame external factors, like the government, the economy, or their boss, for their financial struggles. Rich people take full responsibility for their financial situation and work to change it. Example: a rich mindset says, "It's my responsibility to improve my financial health." Takeaway. Tip: own your financial story and take action to write a better one. Let's quickly recap the 6 key mindset shifts. Scarcity versus abundance. Mindset: work for money versus make money. Work for you. Fear risks versus manage risks. Focus on saving versus focus on earning. More short-term thinking versus long-term. Vision blame versus responsibility. Changing your financial situation starts with changing how you think about money. If you found these insights helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth begins in the mind.